Hey there, geography enthusiasts. Today, I'm here to bust some common geography myths that most people get wrong. Let's dive into these 30 surprising facts and set the record straight. First up, Africa. Contrary to what some might think, Africa is not a country. It's actually a continent with 54 countries, each with its own unique culture and government. Next, Europe and Asia. They're often taught as separate continents, but they are part of the same massive landmass called Eurasia. The dividing line is more historical and cultural than physical. And what about Greenland? It looks huge on maps, but it's not the largest island. That title goes to Australia, which is technically an island, though we often call it a continent. Now, the Sahara Desert. It's hot, but not the hottest place on Earth. That record belongs to Iran's Lut Desert and California's Death Valley. Surprising, right? Equator doesn't always get the most sunlight. Local factors like altitude and ocean currents can make other places hotter. Mount Everest is the highest mountain above sea level, but Mauna Kea in Hawaii is actually taller when measured from its base on the ocean floor. Russia is huge by area, but not by population. China takes the top spot, followed by India and the USA. And no, you can't see the Great Wall of China from space with the naked eye. It's too narrow and blends with the terrain. Canada is cold, but Russia, especially Siberia, holds the title for the world's coldest inhabited place, Oymyakon. The Dead Sea is low, but the Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench is the lowest point on Earth, over 36,000 feet below sea level. Did you know China and India share a border? It's one of the longest in the world, stretching over 2,100 miles. New York City is populous, but the Los Angeles metropolitan area has more people when considering the entire region. Australia may be dry, but Antarctica is the driest continent, receiving virtually no precipitation. Norway beats Sweden in the island count, with around 50,000 islands compared to Sweden's 24,000. The Nile River flows north because of Africa's elevation changes. It's not heading south. The UK isn't just England, it includes Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. The term Britain refers to the island containing the first three. Venus, not Mercury, is the hottest planet due to its thick, heat-trapping atmosphere. The Amazon is vast, but the Congo rainforest in Africa covers a larger land area. Switzerland is in Europe, but it's not part of the European Union. It stays neutral with bilateral agreements. Japan consists of 4 major islands and thousands of smaller ones. It's not just one island. Antarctica is a desert because it's incredibly dry, despite all that ice. Brazil is the largest in South America by area and population, but Argentina is the largest in Latin America. Australia is both a country and a continent, including Tasmania and other islands. Iceland isn't all ice. It's green and lush in summer. Greenland, however, is mostly ice. Mexico is part of North America, not Central or South America. It borders the US to the north. The Pacific Ocean is the largest, more than double the size of the Atlantic. The Vatican City is the smallest independent country, entirely within Rome, Italy. The Mediterranean Sea is a large body of salt water, but it's not an ocean. It's an inland sea connected to the Atlantic. Florida isn't the southernmost US point. That title goes to Hawaii's Kauai, or South Point. Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania is a dormant, not active volcano with its cones Kibo, Moenzi and Shira. Geography is full of surprises. Whether it's the largest island, the hottest place, or even continent arrangements, remember that there's always more to learn. Keep exploring and questioning what you know about our fascinating world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-blowing geography facts.